A warm greeting to everyone. I am Selvi, CSE Department, Assistant Professor, R.M.D.E College. Now we are going to see about continuous integration and delivery in Devops. What is continuous integration? So integration means generally once we have to build the code into different modules, it will be integrated at the integration testing part, and once all the requirements are fulfilled and the tested part will run without any errors, the integration work will be over. So here when we go in the works, we'll come across agile. It will come under agile framework. That means the changes and the requirements will be done rapidly. So once the any change the requirements are given, the modules whatever completed will be again come under the development part, and whatever the changes requested by the customers will be implemented, and again it will be integrated. So the integration part will be done in a continuous manner. So here you can in DevOps you come across the word called continuous integration and continuous delivery. So whatever the changes given by the customers will be done by the development team, and once the work is over, it will be integrated and it will be delivered. And based upon the feedback, again the customer may change, or if it is until they will get the refined part, the work will be going on, carrying on in a feedback loop. So continuous integration, here what will be do? The code changes are built into the artifacts that undergo automated testers. Many developers can work on the same code base simultaneously and make frequent commits to the code repository. Anyway, the code will be available in the any general distributed version control platform like Git or GitHub. So building frequency can be day can be building frequency can be done daily basis or even several times per day. So it makes the advantage of the ability to easily roll back, or we can say it as abandon undesirable outcomes. So continuous integration ends when a build successfully completes initial testing and is ready to move to more comprehensive testing such as user acceptance testing. If build fails, testings, the branch can receive further attentions such as bug fixes or more attentions related to the build and test cycles can repeat until a build is successful. Version control is a critical part. So based upon the uh, it will create a branch that represents a unique version of the current code base. When the branch is successfully built and tested, the resulting branch will typically merged or integrated back to the main code base, which gives a new version number. The final preparation might include packaging the build into a deployable image such as Docker or Apache Mesos container or traditional virtual machines. Continuous delivery. So it will be the later stage of CI means continuous integration, continuous delivery pipeline, where the completed builded code and is thoroughly tested, validated, and delivered for deployment. So see, continuous deployment likewise relies heavily on the tools and the automation to build to take a build through advanced testing, including functional user interface configuration and load testing. This is the pipeline of a continuous integration and continuous delivery. Code commit will be done by the multiple developers, and once it build work is over, it will come under unit integrations testing, and the final will be the functional testing, user acceptance testing, and after all the testing work is over, it go for the deployment. There is a principal difference between the deployment and the delivery. Continuous deployment deliberately and automatically deploys each validated build to production, but continuous delivery typically just stages the validated build for manual deployment or other human authorization. So organization adopt continuous deployment typically to implement a robust rollback process to ensure that a previous stable version can be deployed into the event of unexpected issues with newly deployed version. Thank you.